If you see messages like your device is not supported, could not connect, or you are stuck in a login loop on every account you try, chances are your device is banned by Snapchat. Why Snapchat bans a device? Number one, using third party apps like Skillman, Phantom, Snapchat Plus Plus, etc. Number two, violating Snapchat rules like spamming, sending bulk requests, etc. Number three, using rooted or jailbroken devices. Number four, repeated account bans on the same phone. So these are the reasons. So, how to fix a Snapchat device ban? Uninstall third party apps or mode apps. Remove any apps that interfere with Snapchat. For example, VPNs, app cloners, modified Snapchat apps. Then clear Snapchat app data. Go to settings, then apps, app management, or manage apps, depends on your phone model. Then find Snapchat from the list. Then storage, tap clear cache, and then clear data. After that, update or reinstall Snapchat. Delete Snapchat from your phone, go to the Google Play Store, reinstall it with the latest version. Next, remove root or custom ROM if applicable. Snapchat blocks rooted phones. If your phone is rooted, unroot it or use a different device. Use a different network or IP address. Switch from Wi Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Or use a VPN, but of course, after uninstalling other third party or mode apps. But the Snapchat's official statement is if your device has been banned, Snapchat support cannot unban it for you. But we can just give it a try for the last time.